Hey guys, my name is Christina Maria. Welcome back to the Fragrance Direct YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create a really easy and fun mermaid Halloween look. All these fun products that I used are all available to purchase on the Fragrance Direct website, which will be linked below. So to start with, I'm going to be using an old pair of fishnet tights, and I'm going to be using this to create the scales on my face. So I'm going to start off by using the Technic Colorway Fairy Tale Iron Cheek palette. These colours are beautiful. These pastel shades are perfect for creating a sea-inspired mermaid look. So I'm going to go in with the purple to begin with, and I'm going to start building the base of my girls. Next I'm going to be using the blue, and then I'm going to be blending this into the purple, so you kind of want some areas where there is a bit of a transition between the two colours, and this is going to look so gorgeous. Next I'm using the green teal colour, and I'm going to be applying this to the cheekbones and also up into the temples. You can really be as creative as you want with this because these kind of colours blend together so easily, and it will definitely give you a very mermaidy inspired look. I'm going to bring that green just slightly further forward onto the cheek, and then I'm going to repeat all 3 steps on the other side of my face. Next I'm using a mixture of the pink and purple colours, and I'm going to start applying them to my jaw area. I'm now going to repeat all the steps that I did on the cheeks and the cheekbones, and I'm going to start moving the colours further up the face, blending them together and also creating that same gorgeous gill-like illusion. Then you'll see that when you remove your fishnet tights, you are going to see, just like magic, you now have gills on your face, and they're really pretty and shiny. Using the Technic blush colour palette, I'm going to be using this very pinky shade here. I'm going to be applying this to the bottom of the eye, almost like a reverse liner. Next I'm using the pearl white shade from the Fairy Tale palette, and I'm going to be applying this to the corner of the eyes. Next I'm using the Fame Chaser eyeliner by Ardell, and this is a white eyeliner. I'm going to be applying this to the top of the lids and winging it out just ever so slightly. I thought for this mermaid look it might be nice to have something a little bit different rather than the usual black eyeliner. Next I'm using the green teal colour again, and I'm going to be using this almost as a contour. So this is also going to go up into the brow bone, and it's going to give just a splash of colour, and I also don't want them to look too even. Next I'm taking this contour shade from the blush palette, and I'm going to be using this just to carve out my jaw a little bit and define it. And now my favourite part, I'm using this Prima body gem. I'm going to be applying this to my forehead just to crown myself Queen of the Mermaids. I also like the fact that the Prima body gems can also be used in the hair, and I think it gives a great effect. Next I'm using my favourites, my Ardell Wispies. And now that the lashes are on, I'm going to be moving on to the glitter. Now this is called Unicorn Poop, Chunky Stacker, amazing name. And I'm going to be using the top colour, which has like a pinky shimmer to it, which also has the glue included inside it. It's already formulated in it. I'm going to be using this as a base, and then adding more glitter as I go along. Using this gorgeous lilac colour from the Unicorn Poop stacker, I'm going to be applying this to the sides of my nose, and then I'm just going to be building the glitter downwards. You can be as creative as you want with this. You can create your own patterns and just, yeah, see what you come up with. Then using a mixture of the green and the blue from the Fairy Tale palette, I'm going to be using this just to tie the whole look together by applying it into the crease of my eyes. For the lips, I used Clinique Pop Lip Colour and Primer in Bare Pop. I wanted something quite subtle but moisturising. I also only applied this lip product to the lips. I didn't bother to line it because I don't think that this look needs it. Next, just to complete the look, I took a mixture of all the colours that I used on my face. This part is obviously optional, and I started to apply them to my neck and to my décolletage just to bring the whole look together. And also I think it just looks really, really beautiful on the collarbones. Then I decided that you just can't have enough glitter, so I'm using this Prim & Makeup Chameleon Collection glitter paste, and it's called Under the Sea, which is totally fitting for this look. And I'm going to be applying this into the crease of my eye. You can obviously do whatever you want with this, and you can be as creative as you like. And that is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're going to be recreating this mermaid look for Halloween this year. See you next time. Bye!